So you want to replace the Earpads on your Jabra Evolve2 headset for something more comfortable. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The Earpads that I will show you today are going to fit several models. For a full list, you can see it in the description below or on the screen right now. So let's start the video. Okay, so this is going to be very simple. For this video today, I'm going to be using our Wicked Cushions Airweave Earpads for the Jabra Evolve2. I'll show you some of the differences, but first let me show you how to install them. So to remove the old pads, simply going to hold it from here and just pull. That's it. And then you'll go to the other side and pull. That's it. So I'll move the headset aside just to show you the differences. So this is the original, and this is the Wicked Cushions. So I'll try to make it a little more clear, but as you can see, the Wicked Cushions are much bigger. We'll try to also get a thickness comparison, much thicker and wider, so it can fit better on top of your ear. They're also made out of Airweave fabric, which is much more breathable compared to the PU leather that these are made from, and it's going to be more comfortable for you for longer periods of time. So the way that these install is you have a top and the bottom for the Earpad. So the top, you will see, is marked by this backside flat surface here. You have a wider flat surface and you have a narrower flat surface. So the narrower one is the bottom, okay? They are interchangeable. I do know that on the original, there is a little, the way that the holes are cut out, it marks right and left, but there is no difference between the right and the left. They're both interchangeable. Okay, so let's install it. As I said, this is the top. Simply going to align it to the way the ear cup is. You will see hooks all around the ear cup. It's going to be hard to show. I'll try to show it as clear as possible, but you'll see hooks all around the ear cup, right? These hooks basically go into these slots that you see right here. See, one slot, two slot, that are all around the ear cup, the Earpad. And it's very straightforward. Once you do it like that, once you align it pretty much okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you just push it down, it installs. It's a very simple mechanism. So you don't have to be 100% super precise, just gotta get the top and the bottom correctly. So again, top, somewhat align it in a way that looks like it's straight, push, heard a little bit less clicks in here, so I'm gonna realign it again. Okay, so we'll try it again. Simply align. I'll try to align the top slot to the bottom hook, to the top hook, I'm sorry, and then, oh, got the good clicks here, and looks like it's in place, and it's all good. And you are pretty much done. That is it. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.